In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D objects in Microsoft PowerPoint, ensuring you can transform your presentations into dynamic visual experiences. So, let's get started. First things first, launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Once you've opened the application, you have the option to either open an existing presentation or start fresh with a new one. This step allows you the flexibility to enhance current slides by integrating 3D elements or create entirely new projects. If you're working with an existing presentation, you can incorporate photos, tables, and any other content you need to accompany your 3D visuals. If you're starting a new one, take this opportunity to align your layout to accommodate these new, exciting elements. Now, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find various formatting options, but for our purposes, select Shapes. This is a vital step, as the shapes are the building blocks of your 3D objects. Choose the base 2D shapes first. For example, a rectangle can be an excellent choice for creating the base of a column. Draw these shapes directly onto your slide, considering how you'd like your 3D objects to appear and interact with the rest of your content. Next, it's time to add more dimension to our creation. Insert another shape, maybe a diamond or a circle, which will serve as a bevel or a cap for your object. Adding these shapes will give your design a more realistic and complete look. Once you have both shapes in place, it's time to work some magic by giving them a 3D form. Navigate to the Shape Format tab, where you can explore the 3D format options. Here, you will adjust the shapes to bring them to life. Begin by adding a bevel to the edges. This subtle detail can significantly enhance the realism of your object. Adjust the depth to make the object appear more three-dimensional and explore various lighting options to see how they alter the appearance and visibility of your shapes under different conditions. Be sure to experiment with these settings as they can dramatically affect the aesthetic of your object. After perfecting your 3D shapes, the next logical step is to assemble them into a single, cohesive 3D object. Group or layer the individual shapes together. This process involves selecting all the shapes you've adjusted and using simple grouping techniques to combine them. Grouping solidifies the structure of your design, allowing it to move and function as one unified piece. These techniques can dramatically elevate your presentations, creating engaging and visually appealing content that captivates your audience. Try experimenting with different shapes and formats to discover an infinite array of possibilities at your fingertips.